Greetings from NeuronThemes. In this video, we are going to tutor you how to create a single-page template. When you start using WordPress, you may notice that for every post you write or every page you design, there's a template that is set by default to each one and is very limited in terms of design and layout. What we did is hand you out the tools necessary to create your own single-page template and have a unique setting to your pages. So let us quickly proceed. From the WordPress dashboard, Templates, Theme Builder. As per usual, here you have all the templates that you create, all divided into their respective categories. Let's click on the Single Page tab. Click on Add New. The type of the template has already been selected, but just in case you need to set it up, choose Single Page from the drop-down. Now, you need to name the template. This should introduce us first with our library that is made of stunning pre-made blocks and templates. You can choose a pre-designed single template, or you can always build something of your own. Let us be creative this time. We will drag in the post title element. Also, let's drag in the post content element. We will customize them a little to our likings. Also, let's edit the width of the sections to change the layout of the page. We will configure the padding values for both the title and the content to give them the necessary space. Note that these are dynamic elements, meaning they pull the content from the database. So when you add a new page, the page title will be displayed using the post title element, and the content you produce will be displayed using the post content element. Let's publish our page. We will need to add conditions, so you can choose a more specific condition, but if you want the layout to be applicable throughout your entire pages, of course choose all pages. Perfect. Now let's try and add a new page. Let's add the title. Also add some content. You can add any type of content you wish. Now publish your page. Let's preview it. And here, as you can see, the layout and design we assigned from our single-page template was inherited. And if you visit any other page on your website, you will see that the same layout structure was applied. This is all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.